homemade tomato sauce, fresh tomatoes from my garden. I put a lot of seasoning herbs, honey, carrots, red onions, basil, and whatever other seasonings I had on my shelf. My secret right now is the brown sugar to give it sweetness, olive oil to make it rich, and some red vinegar. Apple cider red vinegar is what I cook my tomatoes in for about 45 minutes. And then I put it in the blender, let it puree. Then I took a second batch of tomatoes and add all my chunky vegetables in it. So this is what we'll be having this winter instead of ragu or what's that other brand? Can't think of it right now. But anyway, this is Miss Beanie's fresh tomatoes from the garden.